What if I told you that the ground beneath your feet, the air you breathe, and the oceans that stretch endlessly were all born from chaos? That the Earth, this seemingly serene haven, was forged in the fiery crucible of destruction and rebirth? What secrets lie buried in the 4.6 billion years of our planet's history? And what if the Earth itself is not what we think it is? Think about it. How did a swirling cloud of dust and gas transform into the vibrant, life-filled world we call home? What cataclysmic events shaped its destiny? And what mysterious forces continue to shape it even today? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through time, space, and the very fabric of existence. This is the story of how planet Earth was born. Our story begins not on Earth, but in the vast, empty void of space. 4.6 billion years ago, there was no sun, no planets, just a massive, swirling cloud of gas and dust. But then, something extraordinary happened. A nearby supernova, a dying star, exploded with unimaginable force. The shockwave rippled through the cloud, compressing it, igniting it. And in the heart of this chaos, our sun was born. But the birth of the sun was only the beginning. Around it, a swirling disk of debris began to clump together, forming tiny grains, then rocks, then boulders. These boulders collided, merged, and grew, eventually forming the building blocks of planets. And among them, a small, unassuming planet began to take shape. This was the early Earth. But this was no paradise. The early Earth was a hellish world, a molten ball of lava and fire. Asteroids and comets bombarded its surface, delivering both destruction and the ingredients for life. Water, organic molecules, and perhaps even the seeds of life itself, all arrived on these cosmic messengers. And then, around 4.5 billion years ago, a cataclysm of unimaginable proportions occurred. A Mars-sized object, known as Theia, slammed into the young Earth. The impact was so violent that it vaporized part of our planet, sending debris hurtling into space. But from this destruction, something beautiful emerged. The debris coalesced to form our moon, a constant companion, a silent witness to Earth's turbulent history. As the Earth cooled, water vapor in the atmosphere condensed, falling as rain for millions of years. Oceans formed, covering much of the planet's surface. Volcanoes erupted, spewing gases that would eventually form the atmosphere. And deep within the oceans, in hydrothermal vents, the first sparks of life may have flickered into existence. But the Earth was far from stable. For billions of years, it endured violent storms, volcanic eruptions, and even ice ages that encased the entire planet in ice. Yet through it all, life persisted. Tiny microbes evolved into complex organisms, and eventually the first plants and animals emerged. The stage was set for the rise of humanity. Today we walk on a planet that has been shaped by billions of years of cosmic events. The ground beneath your feet? It's made of elements forged in the hearts of dying stars. The air you breathe? It's the product of billions of years of volcanic activity and photosynthesis. Even the water you drink? It may have arrived on comets from the far reaches of the solar system. But here's the question that haunts scientists to this day. Was all of this inevitable? Or was it a series of cosmic coincidences that led to the birth of our planet? And what if there are other Earths out there waiting to be discovered? But let's not forget, the universe is a mysterious, often terrifying place. What if the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs was not a random event, but part of a larger cycle of destruction? What if the Earth itself is destined to face another cataclysm, one that could wipe out all life as we know it? And what if we're not alone? What if there are forces out there, beyond our understanding, that have shaped our planet's history in ways we can't even imagine? The story of Earth is far from over. It's a story of creation and destruction, of life and death, of mystery and wonder. And as we continue to explore our planet and the cosmos beyond, one thing is certain. The Earth will always hold secrets, secrets that may forever remain just out of reach. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this. You are standing on a planet born from chaos, shaped by time, and filled with mysteries waiting to be uncovered. The question is, are you ready to face them?